Do you think life insurance is too expensive, unnecessary, or only for older people? These common myths might be holding you back from protecting your family and financial future. Let's bust some of the biggest life insurance myths so you can make informed decisions and take control of your financial security. Myth 1. Life insurance is too expensive. Many people think they can't afford life insurance, but the truth is, most policies are more affordable than you'd expect, especially if you start young. In fact, healthy individuals can often secure coverage for less than the cost of a pizza or a couple of coffees each month. But here's another perspective. What's the cost of not having life insurance? Without coverage, your family could face overwhelming financial burdens like mortgage payments, funeral costs, or even daily living expenses. When you think about what's at stake, life insurance isn't just affordable, it's essential. Myth 2. I don't need life insurance because I'm young and healthy. This couldn't be further from the truth. Life insurance is cheapest and easiest to qualify for when you're young and in good health. Waiting means higher premiums as you age, and unexpected health issues could even disqualify you. Starting early also allows you to build financial assets, like cash value, if you opt for a whole life or indexed universal life (IUL) policy. This cash value can become a financial tool later in life, giving you options like borrowing against the policy for a home purchase, education expenses, or unexpected emergencies. Think of life insurance as a way to future-proof your finances. Starting young lets you lock in low rates and ensures you're protected no matter what life throws at you. Myth 3. I have coverage through work, so I'm good. Employer-provided life insurance is a great start, but it often only covers a small amount, usually a fraction of what your family would need to cover major expenses. Is that enough to pay off a mortgage, cover education costs, or maintain their current standard of living? Another thing to consider: what happens if you change jobs or lose your job? Most employer policies don't transfer, leaving you without coverage when you need it most. A personal policy gives you control and ensures your family is protected, no matter what happens with your employment. Myth 4. Stay-at-home parents don't need life insurance. The truth is, the contributions of stay-at-home parents have enormous value. From childcare to managing the household, their role would be expensive to replace. Imagine the financial burden of paying for childcare, cleaning, meal prep, and other household responsibilities. Life insurance ensures that, if something happened, the family could maintain stability without financial strain. Myth 5. I'll never see any benefit from life insurance. This is a common misconception, but it's far from the truth. Many modern policies offer living benefits, meaning you can access cash value or receive payouts for critical illnesses or other needs while you're still alive. Let's break this down. Living benefits. These are accelerated payouts for conditions like terminal or chronic illness, allowing you to cover medical expenses or maintain your quality of life. Cash value growth. Whole life or IUL policies allow you to build a cash value over time. This money grows tax-deferred and can be used as a financial tool throughout your life. Peace of mind. Knowing you have financial protection in place, whether for yourself or your loved ones, relieves stress and allows you to focus on living your life. What's the right amount of coverage? It depends on your goals. For most people, it's enough to cover major expenses like a mortgage, education costs, and income replacement for several years. A general rule of thumb is to consider coverage that matches your family's financial needs for the next 10 to 15 years. How long should I have life insurance? Term policies typically last 10 to 30 years and are great for covering specific periods, like raising children or paying off a mortgage. Permanent policies like whole life or IUL offer lifelong coverage and build cash value, making them a long-term financial tool. Myth 6. Life insurance is too complicated. The industry has evolved, and today's life insurance policies are designed to be user-friendly. Working with a knowledgeable advisor makes it easy to find a policy tailored to your needs. You don't have to navigate the options alone. There's expert help available to guide you every step of the way. Life insurance isn't as complicated, expensive, or limited as these myths make it seem. It's a powerful tool to protect your loved ones, build financial stability, and even provide support while you're still here. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing your family is protected, no matter what. If these myths have been holding you back, it's time to take action. Visit nalaguardfinancial.com or reach out to schedule a consultation today. Together, we can find a policy that works for you and your family's needs.